Hey guys, it's kinda dark in my garage, thank God. Just chilling with Blitzen. It's supposed to be 95 plus out today, and it's about that now. It's not noon yet. Well, that song brought tears to my eyes again. My eyes are all watery right now. And you know what, man? I'm about to do another video this afternoon based on a excellent question by a subscriber to an older video about unfed half waves, about using a multi-tap on them with a random length wire. And I'm looking forward to doing that video. And it's the perfect case for an SWR analyzer that can sweep the HF spectrum. But man, when I started listening to that song, it hit my brain like a ton of bricks, man. You know what I'm going through a withdrawal of? Don't say a wobbly pop. I'm well hydrated. It's CW. The FCC can take away my ham radio license by doing nothing on my application renewal for a full year. And they can stop me from legally transmitting in the HF bands, you know. And I can have my fun, and I will have my fun with antenna work. And using my new Nano VNA. But it's CW. Will I never talk on via CW again? Will I never have another CW QSO again? Damn, man, that's tough. You know what CW has been? My very, very best friend throughout my whole life. A friend that never left my side. A friend that was always with me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 and a quarter days a year. Will I never have another CW conversation? Goddamn, man. My brother Art is a ham. He lives in Dayton. I can make CW contacts when I'm at his house using his call sign with him as a control op. I'm the guest operator at his station legally. You know, can I operate field day? Can I sit and crank out CW contacts all night long on 40 meters for some lucky field day club? I don't know if I can legally or not. If I'm an unlicensed person, you're using the club's call sign. So I don't know. Do I have to drive to Dayton, Ohio with my code practice oscillator and my paddles to have a chat using CW? That's tough.